career day namin. Na-late kami nag-video kasi ang late niya. Ang late niya. Pero guys, papakita namin yung design namin. Ang team po namin ay BGMP.
These are our wanted people, and if you find them, please report it.
Guys, ito pala yung picture namin. Wanted picture.
Nag-vlog ka, ma'am. And this is our clerk.
Mga guys, ipapanood namin mamaya yung yung representative namin, yung mga nag-passion.
Magmamagshot na ang aming vice president. Reason? Kumuha ng code.
A few moments later.
Guys, update. We are the first runner-up. Congrats. First runner-up. First runner-up. Asan? Ba't Dulin. First runner-up, guys. Deserve. Congrats, wow. Thank you, wow. Love ka. No?
Hey, Dad.
Hi guys. Hey kids. We're filming. Let's go, Crystal. This is Stephanie, guys. We're filming. Nag-job, film kami, madam. Apa? Live.
Nagawa. Chefes.
That's the thing. Na ang aming writer wearing blue, walking in the sun with a pink umbrella. Wala, oh, tumataway na. Apoy ka naka-pedestrian. Okay guys, let's start.
Ubing. 8 minutes. Mabali na lang dyan pa, Jay. Dinakmabol. Abhulbulin mo ako. Princess.
a wrap! Rapper! Kuya, doon lagi kaya pinasan. It's a wrap! What can you say?
Nice!
It's a wrap! Let's go! Let's go to the beach! Maliligo na kami, guys! Let's go!
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're going home. The sunset is very pretty, like our main character. And my voice is... And I lost my eyeglasses, guys. What an achievement. Bye. Hi guys, we're filming. Guys, nagsisigarilyo na siya. Hala ka! Sigarilyo review. DJ Latiba ka? Wow!
Tapos umanik kayo.
Hala!
Naka-video ka.
Ang sigsigarilyo matitis sa'yo naman.
A few moments later.
Hi kids, we're at Joanna's house. Yes. This our future children will see. And we are filming for the film festival competition in our school. And we're here with Crystal. Say hi. And John Louis. Say hi. And Ate Shanoa. And Joanna. And we're going to eat.
The next day.
Hey guys, hey kids. Day 2 of filming.
Ewan ko, Dad. He really
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we're going home now.
Bye! Bye, Joanna.
But Joanna, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, one last scene. We're going back here, pero
One na lang.
one
Hindi na
last
ako babalik dito.
one.
It was a nice
Transfer
experience.
na kasi.
It was a nice... Kupa pa yung... Di ba ano ito tayo sa'yo? Yung post na.
Bye guys. Bye guys. Alamin mo ka na lang.
Be friends. Bye.
Hoy mga Ryan. Ano kami ngayon? Adventurer. Kapatalaw kami pala yung guys. So, versus apple juice. Kidney stones moment. I just want. Oh, so cute ito. Yan, magphoto. Twins kami, guys. Hey, black and white. Black and white.
1 week later.
We're going home na, guys. It's a wrap. Bye, guys. So, hindi kami nag-film yung scene namin, yung last scene. Pero we finished a scene. A scene. Scene. Oh, ni princess. Ano na ba naman yung princess? Ay,
The next day.
Dito tingin. 1, 2. Ala, shit, nakapasa. Ulit, sinera.
Ala. Hi guys, thank you. It's currently our promenade.
Likewise, with our team tonight, this afternoon, of giving the utmost appreciation and efforts tried by our promenaders.
Goodbye! Goodbye! Goodbye!
Bye, ang transfer ka.
Asipat ko alam.
Hi guys, last pictorial.
Mr. Perpuse, ang sukat niyan.
Yan, Louie! Kami na kagulo ko!
Pabulutan yung paano kanina na.
Ako pa nila ba?
Yang bayag! Magpudod!
Lugit ang muti pinardi mo. Hala! Hala ka!
Alam.
1 week later.
Black and white. Patay. Magical night.
International Week Stadium of the Marshall Philippines.
Para sa balitang showbiz, dahil mo sa kumana mo.
Para sa Pilipinas, President Bongbong Marcos ang Pilipinas. And now is sponsored by One Avenue.
Hi guys! Black and white ate. Birthday ni Princess! Happy birthday! Happy na birthday mo! And we won, guys, Best Director and Best Amateur Film Production. Congrats to us. Congrats to us. Congrats to us, guys. Where are our others? Congrats! Alam ko na kung move-on ni kahit mag-ganda. Hello kids! So we just finished practicing for our graduation and we forgot to vlog. But it's Monday today, our last Monday, and we just finished picking out our togas to use on our graduation day. So like, we'll see you tomorrow and I will be with everyone and you will see our dance. Yeah, bye. Hello guys, it's our last shift day for the year 2023-2024 and we're practicing for our completion ceremony and graduation ceremony. Commencement exercise. That's our dance, guys. And our president is there, guys. There. Hi, guys. Party vlog. Available. See you tomorrow, guys. Will there be tomorrow? Wala pa lang bukas, guys. But, umay kami dito.
Graduation.
So, I think we will only be the ones who will vlog.
Tama, napagod na ako.
Tomorrow is we will go to church.
Transition din lang tamagod. Hindi mo si Crystal White ha? Nag-broken wala siyang others. Ano kasi? Sabi nila mag-practice madam. Last age, makakita ko nag-sing. Kasi nakatumbang kayo na pagkita na kami. Kasi ako natulog.
Kinder talaga yan, guys. Hi, guys. Wait lang. Ito.
will be receiving the awards Meritorious Award, a Santa Marching Band member and outstanding
Congrats, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Say hi to your dog.
Yeah. Oh, my Mercedes. Congrats, guys. Congrats, mommy. See you soon. Ha? Sige.
Picture lang kami.
1 week later.
Hi guys! So for today's vlog, nasa Greenwich kami sa Bakar Road at naglibre ang aming advisor. May mga bagong mukha which is Tiffany. Ay, Tiffany. Oh. Ha? Ayan na na. Ayan na na. Ayan. Si Crystal. Pumain kami ng pizza, pero ubos na. Thanks. Sa advisor namin na Guys, abangan nyo guys. Baka mas madami na kaming vlogs next school year. Kasi,
Di mo sure nakagastos tayo.
patsimit, iwan mo lang sa cellphone mo kung wala mo. Super ya, everyday.
of school, guys.
Vlog.
Full story dyan, yeah.